Good morning, dear student. I am Vipin Kumar. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So today is Friday, and our Friday is math class, as you know that. In the last class already I completed the exercise 1.3. So today we are going to start exercise 1.4. There are 6 questions, so just try to understand. The first question is, write the all possible two-digit numbers that can be formed by using the digit 7, 3 and 5 if the repetition of the digits is not allowed. The special condition is the repetition of the digit is not allowed, and you have to find the all two-digit numbers that is made from the 7, 3 and 5. It means 7, 3 और 5 से बनने वाले आपको टू डिजिट के सारे नंबर लिखने हैं, but the repetition is not allowed. Okay, so we will try 7, 3 and 5. So number is 7, 3 and 5. Okay, so we will use the 3 digit and find out the number of that 2 digits. So first number is 73, 35, 57, 75, 53. Okay, 37, 37. Next 73, 35, 57, 75, 53, 37, 77, 33 and 55 is also there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. But the question is saying special condition, the repetition of the digit is not allowed. So we can't write 77, 33 and 55. So your final answer is, this we have to cut. So your final answer is 73, 35, 57, 75, 53 and 37. Okay, take the screenshot and write in a notebook. Next, second question. Sorry, one mistake happened in that first question. Actually, there is written that the repetition is allowed. Okay, I wrote that repetition is not allowed. So 55, 33 and 77 in that question is also counted. Okay, so the result, last result is 70, 37, 73, 57, 75 and 35 and 53, 33, 55 and 77. This all answer of the first question are there. Okay, so you just correct it that 33, 55 and 77 are also included because the repetition is allowed for the first question. Okay. And the second question, write all the possible two-digit numbers that can be formed by using the digits 1, 5 and 9 where the digits can be used only once. Only once means we can use the one digit only one time. It means the repetition is not allowed here. Okay. So and also find the sum of the number. So first we will write the number for the 1, 5 and 9 from the 1, 5 and 9. So our number is 15, 51, 19, 91, 95, 59. Okay, and 11, 55 and 99 is also there, but the only one digit is used only once, so we can't write the 11, 55 and 99. Now we have also find out the sum of this number. So the sum of this number is 15 plus 51 plus 19 plus 91 plus 95 plus 59 is 330. This is your final answer. Okay, I hope you all understand. Avika, any doubt? Okay, next, third question. Find the number of all possible three-digit number. Here is three-digit number. It means one time we have to use all these three-digit 4, 6 and 8. Find the number of all possible three-digit number which can be formed by the digit 4, 6 and 8 where the repetition of the digit is not allowed. Here is also the repetition is not allowed. It means 4, 4, 4, 6, 6, 6 and 8, 8, 8 are not allowed. Okay. So first we will write our first digit 4, 6 and 8. So our numbers are first number 4, 6, 8, afterwards 6, 4, 8, 8, 6, 4, 8, 4, 6, 6, 4, 8, 468 648 864 846 648 6 468 sorry 86846 468 then again afterwards 3 4 5 1 is remaining 648 864 846 684. Okay, so this is the numbers that formed by the 4 6 and 8. Okay, it is 4 4 4 6 6 6 and 8 8 is also there, but the repetition is not allowed. That's why we didn't count the 4 4 4 6 6 6 and 8 8 8. So your final result is 468 648 864 846 468 and sorry 468 I wrote two times. 684 864 846 486 4 8 and 6. Okay, this is the numbers. Take the screenshot and write in a notebook. Okay, then next fourth question, find the sum of all possible 3-digit numbers that can be formed by the using 0 2 and 7 where the repetition of the digit is not allowed. Again the repetition is not allowed and we have to make the 3-digit number. So our result numbers are is 2 0 2 and 7. So first number is, if we write 2 0 2 7, then there is no value of 0. It means this is 2-digit number only, so we can't write 0 in the front side. Okay, so it means we will start from 207 702 270 and 720. Okay, there are only 4 numbers, 207 702 270 and 720. If we will write in the front of 0, then there is no meaning of 0, that is 2-digit number only. So we will write 207 like this, 0 between of this number and afterward of this number, 207 702 270 and 720. And the sum of this number, also find out the sum. Sum is 207 plus 702 plus 270 plus 720. So it means the sum is 1899 is your sum of the numbers. Okay, then rest 2 questions are there, so you have to try to solve just at your home. If you have any type of doubt, then ask in the group. I will send the solution. Okay, Sikha, any doubt? I hope you all understand all these things. Okay, so next exercise 1.5 we will continue in next class. Just try to solve the homework question. If you feel any type of difficulty, then directly you can ask. Okay, thank you. Be safe at your home.